Question, do you like to draw? Do you also eat at Olive Garden? Then I have the activity for you. We are gonna do some inventory diagramming, baby. So what are we talking about? Spaghetti diagrams, of course. So how do we do a spaghetti diagram? I'm glad you asked. Well, you can take a Post-it note or a piece of paper or even some spare bathroom tissue because there just really isn't enough paper in your office. You should probably order more. That and any kind of utensil, pen, pencil, a burnt piece of stick that now has a bit of charcoal to its edge, whatever. And you are going to map out whatever it is that you're trying to figure out in your warehouse. That could mean your warehouse layout. That could mean your production layout and the order in which things are received, sent to processing, machining, whatever. Or it could even be the best route to Chick-fil-A because I'm getting hungry and I like to eat there. So as an example, let's say that you were trying to figure out the best layout for your warehouse and where to put your items. You would literally draw out from a bird's eye view where everything is, where the shelves are, where your shipping is, where your receiving is, if you have QA that's necessary, where all of those stations are, and then you're gonna number them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, however many. You're gonna number those sections according to the manner in which they go through your process at your business, and then you're gonna see how long it takes to go from each one. And you're gonna do that over and over, and you're gonna draw over and over however many times. You're gonna track someone, you're gonna do it yourself. This could feel a bit tedious, but you also might discover how much time you're losing, and let's say you have to walk all the way across the warehouse floor just to put something away, and then you have to walk all the way over there to send it on the other side where it gets machined, or it gets kitted, or it gets fitted to another type of part that you then resell. Whatever the situation is, there is time and all that back and forth. And if you're dealing with a high volume of product, it's a lot of time. So you're taking all those considerations in, and you're continuing to map it out over and over. And you do this over and over so you can have a sense of how much time is being spent on processing, on production, on even just picking and packing and shipping. All of these things affect the time on the floor, in the warehouse, and ultimately how your business spends its time. So remember, a spaghetti diagram can be really helpful for your business. I'll say it. It can be really helpful as long as you use your noodle. It's stupid. They'll think that's stupid. Yes, they will.